Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate impact through art theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Messenger. So click on that and you need to update your Messenger application by clicking on this update. So once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to open Facebook Messenger. So once you open Facebook Messenger, you simply need to select any conversation and click on the person name on the top. From here you need to click on theme and click on impact through art. Click on select. So now you can see that impact through art, that is our theme name, is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.